Saint Faustina Kowalska, that in spite of his bitter passion and death, many souls perish. He's giving souls their last hope of salvation, His divine mercy. So this is Saint Faustina Kowalska Diary, number 965. So it's the last hope. What is the meaning of the last? There is no other hope. And it is His divine mercy. And so it's so important to understand the theology of the divine mercy as given us by the Pope, whose papacy he dedicated for the promotion of divine mercy, John Paul II.